We often cannot say no due to several deep psychological and social reasons. Refusing can evoke feelings of guilt, anxiety, or fear of negative reactions from others. Many of us usually feel societal pressure that forces us to agree to any conditions, even if they do not align with our own desires and needs. One of the main reasons is the fear of conflict. People fear that refusal might lead to arguments or negative consequences in relationships with others. The fear of isolation or losing support makes us avoid saying no, even when it would be the healthier choice. This often occurs in personal relationships, where refusal might be perceived as disrespect or indifference. Another reason is feelings of guilt. Many feel that refusing causes harm to someone else or limits their opportunities. This often arises from social and cultural expectations that we should always be ready to help others. This can involve both everyday situations and professional duties, where we don't want to create the impression that we are unsupportive or unable to meet certain demands. Overall, the need for acceptance and approval also plays a significant role. People often agree to things that do not suit them simply because they fear losing approval or trust from those around them. Refusing something might be seen as unkind or lacking ethics, which forces us to compromise even when it harms our interests or emotional well-being. Another important reason why we cannot say no is tied to uncertainty about our desires and boundaries. Sometimes we do not have a clear idea of what we want or what is important to us, which makes it difficult to express refusal clearly. In such cases, we often agree to what is offered just because we cannot make the right choice for ourselves. There is also psychological pressure from others that makes us agree. This applies both to work and family relationships, where people may feel an obligation to fulfill requests or tasks. This feeling of duty is often intensified by the desire not to let others down and to be seen as a responsible and reliable partner or colleague. To learn to say no, it is important to maintain a clear understanding of our boundaries and needs. By defining what truly matters to us, we can maintain healthy relationships with others without betraying our own beliefs. However, it is crucial to understand that the ability to refuse is not just necessary for preserving psychological health, but is also an act of self-respect. Learning to say no is a process that requires time and practice, but it allows us to maintain inner balance and harmony in relationships without harm to ourselves. Thank you for watching.